Hi everyone, welcome to WebTech Production. In this part of HTML tutorial series, I will show you how to embed YouTube video to your web page. If you watch this video till the end, then you will be able to embed any video from YouTube to your web page. So let us see how to do it. To embed video, we need for HTML file. So let us create HTML file. To create HTML file, we need to type HTML and body tag. Let us zoom this. Between HTML tag, let us type body tag. Now save the file, save it to desktop and name the file as embed.html. Save, minimize the screen. To embed YouTube video, we need to go to youtube.com. Now find the video you want to embed. So I want to embed this video, so I will play this video. Pause the video. Come to the below video. Select share. Now come select embed. Now copy this code and paste it between body tag. Now save the file. Now run the saved file. As you can see, video is embedded successfully. If you want to play this video, we can play it too. Let us try it. Hi everyone, welcome to WebTech Production. In this part of life hack, I will show you a simple technique. Okay guys, this was the way of embedding YouTube video on our page. If you liked my video, please click on thumbs up button, and if you have any question, please comment below. And you are new to my channel and didn't subscribe yet, do subscribe now.